When collaborating and sharing information is critical, it's important not to overcomplicate the solutions we put in place. You know how to work, your technology should help you work smarter. Sharp's line of AQUOS BOARD interactive displays make it easy to breathe new life into collaboration. Innovation like that is powerful and should be available to everyone. That's why Sharp created an AQUOS board with advanced technology and a budget-friendly price point. Introducing the latest addition to AQUOS BOARD interactive displays, a display built to enhance communication without breaking the bank, bringing interactive learning to more classrooms and facilitating better collaboration in meeting spaces. This value-priced display's open platform design and plug-and-play functionality make installation quick and operation possible without learning a new system. This 4K Ultra HD interactive display captures the fine textures of still and video images, while also reproducing precise details of small text and complex graphics. The display's Sharp Pen software includes a whiteboard mode and overlay mode to accommodate the job or the lesson plan, but the display is designed to fit into your workflow, whether you use Sharp software or your preferred whiteboard solution. And when we're all comfortable collaborating in person again, 20-point simultaneous touch detection makes this device perfect for providing a more interactive, inclusive, and impactful learning experience.
From elementary schools to universities, instructors try to engage their students, keeping them enthralled by subject matter so that they get the most out of each lesson. Today's students are accustomed to and captivated by technology, and yet, most classrooms tend to lag behind the technological curve. Revitalize learning environments with the PNC Series AQUOS Board all-in-one interactive display systems. These smart, intuitive displays enable instructors to present information through advanced technology, thus encouraging student participation. Available in multiple sizes, this series is an affordable option to experience pristine 4K Ultra HD resolution. The PNC Series AQUOS Board displays feature an integrated whiteboard, so students and educators can capture notes without connecting an external PC. Overlay mode enables users to write on-screen annotations directly onto photos, videos, and documents. Even for first-time users, the simple write and erase function is a breeze to operate. These display systems feature wireless connectivity to improve teacher mobility. An OPS compliant slot on each display in this series allows an optional card-based PC to be installed without the need for an external set-top box. Other features include a built-in media player to present photos and videos in crisp 4K Ultra HD, and front-mounted speakers to project sounds more directly during lessons. Compatible with multiple operating systems and software, the Sharp PNC Series AQUOS Board interactive displays can seamlessly integrate with the leading learning management systems to leverage a classroom's existing infrastructure. Best of all, utilizing a cart empowers one board to service multiple classrooms, thereby increasing the unit's service value exponentially. With built-in features, an open platform architecture, and advanced display technology, the PNC Series AQUOS Board interactive display systems are truly in a class of their own.